me know what you're doing here.
I came here to skydive. First
Really?
time in life.
It
Yes.
was your dream?
Yes, it was since childhood.
Did you come alone?
I came with my friend.
Oh, where is his friend? Hey, say hi. Let me see. Who is smiling more?
Come again?
Who is more happy? Yeah, so nice. Let's
He's
do
doing
it.
because of me.
Ah, it's your dream.
Unplanned.
Okay, nice. Let's jump.
Sure.
Let's jump.
Let's dive. Let's dive. Let's dive.
Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive.
Okay, the jump has started. I can feel the wind. I can't tell you. Excited and anxious at the same time. Good jump.
Spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart. Spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall. Staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart.
Oh my God. What an experience. What an experience.
Good job,
Indeed, it was a good jump. I've been dying to do that for my entire life. I used to see the video people are doing, and I used to see that they feel very humble. Now you know what they mean. It's a miracle. Awesome. Okay. I have driven bike, car, a parachute.
Boa, voltamos já, galera. Esse cara é radical, Brasil.
I'm driving a parachute. I can't breathe.
Aí, galera. Vou assumir aqui.
Let me know about this jump. Let me know about this jump. How was the jump?
Very good. Now I'm finally able to catch my breath.
It was beautiful.
It was amazing. At least the free fall,
Nice.
nice.
Was great idea.
Definitely. At least for me.
Do you recommend?
Definitely.
Welcome.